the TV. Oh my god! Oh my god! Got me sick!
She's a little sweet and got me in my feelings. Can I get to know you?
Everyone, this is Seev Yuj Yees, and this is me like 2 months before Fresno Hmong. Today we are going to be working on outfits. We're going to Seev Yuj Yees' house in a little bit. Here is the big bag that we have. It's Saturday, December 14th, and we are practicing. But right, 2 weeks until we leave. Yes, 2 weeks. But right now we are on our lunch break, and it's been maybe 2 hours. But we're binge watching BTS and. We'll see you the next time that we practice. Bye. Okay. Hi. Right here. So this is Wassel crew right now, and we are doing our bake sale fundraiser.
Fresno New Year is this weekend. And we still in the start.
Yeah.
This is our first full group practice. Yeah, that's good. Is this vlog? 1, 2. Yes. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Here. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Okay, yeah. Oh, pick up your feet. Pick up your feet and be like bouncy. Bouncy. Especially this part. What's the 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Okay, Mom. Good. But not everything.
Bro, I just need to keep a camera just on you, bro.
Yeah. That should be easy to find. They're all my level, guys. Okay. Your sequence top for those who need it. Yes. Oh, wait, like some people have sequences.
Yeah, outfit check. Outfit check.
Oh, these are singlet. This is like handball stuff on this side. Oh. Oh, you have it? Wait, so. Oh, yeah.
Wow, 跟人到了。
Hi guys, so today is Monday, December 23rd, and we are on our way to the cities. We have our flight tomorrow, but we wanted to go today for some last minute shopping. What is it? Hold on. Oh yeah, I messed up. I'm tired of myself. Oh, okay. It is Tuesday, December 24th, and we are gonna head to the airport right now. It is about 10 a.m. and we will see you guys there.
Alright, so we are getting food to eat before we head on our flight. So I got a turkey sub, and what did you get, Pan?
It's like a steak and cheese, really cheese steak thingy.
Okay, and then we got some Starbucks and cheese Danish for dessert. Okay, we are boarding. Yep. Very cranky.
We'll get some Starbucks.
We landed in Fresno and we got a rental car, and now we're gonna go check into our hotel. Say hi. It's so nice. Wow. This is luxurious.
Guys, it's December 25th, Merry Christmas, and we're having breakfast before we head out to San Francisco.
Hi guys, so this is the Lower household, and we basically just got done packing our big suitcases. That's Julie's, that's Shonaz, and then let me go over here. This is Julie's suitcase, and then mine is right here. Mine went over 50 pounds, so I had to take a pair of shoes out, and then I put some of the dance stuff in Shana's suitcase, so now it's 46. But yeah, today is Thursday before we fly out to Cali, and then we're gonna be heading to Eau Claire around 3 or 4, and then we're gonna sleep over there overnight. So, yeah, I'm feeling excited, and I'm excited to go to Cali.
Hello, I'm in my Chia's car right now. We are on our way to EC, to Paying and yours place, and we're gonna go shopping after everyone gets here, and then we're gonna buy food for tonight and for our flight tomorrow. I didn't realize we had a layover to Denver. I thought we only had a layover when we come back, but yeah, it's like 3 hours, I think. But yes, I'll see y'all later. We just landed, just kidding. We just got at yours and Paying's place. We are taking our luggage. This girl has so much shit.
Hey, that's all.
Yeah, I only have a backpack and then a suitcase. But yes, we're here. I think that's Yer and Henry. Okay, guess who's here? Shana and the Lord sisters are here. We're gonna go shopping soon. Wait, what are we waiting for?
Food, and I have a mic. I don't know.
You have a mic?
I don't know. Well, we're gonna need a ride because your pig's not here.
We could take. Are you gonna join?
And I was thinking like.
Maybe we could take 2 cars.
I think we should.
Okay, so we made it to Paying's place, Paying's and yours place. Paying's right there. Oh, I was gonna tell her to say hi. Paying, say hi.
Hello. Speak into this.
Hello. And then like chairs right there. Oh yeah, and then yours right there too. But yeah, we're heading to the store right now to go get some food.
Everyone, so tonight we are just walking around Eau Claire the night, but we are walking around because we're bored. So yeah, and it's raining, but we're super excited. Hopefully we wake up in time. Hey guys, so we are at Alpaco.
I don't know. I forgot the name, but we're at this Mexican restaurant, and we got burritos. You all got a burrito. Sleep. Okay, and then Pierre got a burrito as well. It's really warm. Henry got a burrito as well. Thanks there, and Jake got a burrito as well. And then the others are over there. Those are over there waiting for their food.
Currently almost or around 3 a.m. and we're really tired. We just woke up. It's Jared Henry. And here this Julie, Yuping, Alex, who was that? Paying, a ghost, and then Shona's right here. We're all stuck in the same room. I feel like I didn't even sleep. And then we have Seev who couldn't lock the door. But okay. We're gonna miss our flight.
The other half of Shaking is now awakened. We are gonna be heading to Minnesota airport. Look at all these suitcases. This one is mine.
So we're just loading the cars.
Y'all put anything else in there? Oh, paying.
Hi guys, we just made it to the airport.
It's about like what, 5:54 a.m. Yeah. And then yours right there. The checking in was so scary, wasn't it?
No. They just do it different. Because like, I feel like usually when I check in, they just put the stickers out for you.
No, because some people do that. Like they purposely just like they get the window seat, but then they close it because there's software on. I was like, dude, I want to see outside. Just get a face mask at that. But it is bright though. Oh my gosh, I got your big one. Oh my god. I brought mine. We are about to board. We've been waiting patiently. Let's go around. So how do you feel right now?
I feel good. I'm excited. I'm kind of nervous, but I feel fine.
Okay. Yoa, how do you feel?
I feel like a girl.
The fuck? Okay.
Just kidding. I'm just copying what Ying said.
Oh.
I feel excited. I'm just tired. I'm just worried about sitting. What?
Yeah, insert clip. How are you feeling?
I feel like a girl.
And then you'll insert clip. Okay? Okay, how are you feeling, Julie?
I'm excited, tired, nervous. Yeah.
Okay. Like Chia, how you feeling?
I am excited. I really want to be above the clouds.
How you feeling, Paying?
What?
I said, how you feeling?
Feeling good.
Are you doing your nails? Let's see them.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
You made them.
Wow. Nail artist, Wow. Okay. Well, how you feeling? They're both doing their nails?
I feel excited, and it's gonna be my first time on the plane.
Excited! It is like Chia's and yours first time on the plane. I'm excited, guys. We are boarding the plane.
And then Paying and you're like,
Hi everyone, we just landed and now we're waiting to get off. We just experienced a really crazy turbulence that I thought we were like, I don't know. It was my first time experiencing it, so I was so scared. It was fun. It felt like a roller coaster. Anyways, yeah, not so bad. I'll show you. Okay, so yeah, we picked our seat, so not bad. Look, so it's just us over here. Alright, see y'all in a bit.
Okay, we're gonna go find our gate.
Pretty here. Okay.
And then we will
C62.
go explore a little bit. So how was your experience?
It was scary. The turbulence was scary.
I agree.
But otherwise, I'm tired. Like, I sat in front of 2 kids and kept kicking and screaming at the window. And at first I didn't mind it, but then like when we were about to land, like they were extra loud. So I don't know. I mean, not an original experience. I'll rate it 4 out of 5.
4 out of
3.
3 out of 5. Okay.
How was your experience?
I would say it was good. The sky was so pretty. The turbulence was so scary though. I heard, like, I sat in front of Shona, and the whole time I think they were like holding hands, Shona and Shona, and then Shona kept like making noise.
Oh really?
Yeah. Not bad.
Did you hold anyone's hand?
I did not.
I was holding Thing's hand. I mean arm. Hi everyone, so I am on the plane. So nice to see them.
It's awesome to see you guys too. It's a blessing that Mother Nature made us meet in this path, and there's a reason, because later on in the future we can do something together.
Alright, we'll see you guys in Fresno. Bye.
Bye. Thank you so much. Take care.
So we made it to the Fresno airport.
Just landed.
And we are headed to baggage claim to go get our bags. Right there. And then I think you went to the bathroom. Yeah.
Guys, so we just made it to Fresno. Julie's back there and the rest are up here. We just claimed our luggage as well, and so now we are waiting for our rental car. This is the car. Nothing in here, This is the car. We is good.
Say hello.
Hi. Finally got
Shana's
in the car.
Yeah, Shana's up there. Payne's driving us.
We made it to our hotel. Holy crap. Our hotel.
We just got one.
Oh, you guys can come in.
But
That's so interesting. It's your card for Paula.
oh, I had to do that in Korea too.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, well, guys. Whoa, nice. Whoa, these plates. Whoa, this is not bad. This is not bad. This is not bad at all.
This is our hotel. It's pretty nice. Ceiling is super high. Yeah, 2 beds and then a sofa bed. And then they also have my name on the TV.
We're all getting ready. It's like almost 3, and then we're gonna go get some food and then we have rehearsals at 6.
Hello, everyone. So we just all got done getting ready, and we are about to go eat out at J-Pot. It is a hot pot and Korean barbecue place. We are all heading out, and then we're also inviting the others to come eat out with us. So yeah.
Just showed up to this restaurant. Ooh, the light! Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, anyways, we showed up to this restaurant. Look at this parking. Look at this parking. Like, this whole parking lot. Why are people parking like this? Anyways, let's go see this restaurant.
It's also really nice weather here. Like, really nice. Not cold.
You know what I'm saying? That's it doesn't have an effect manic.
We are eating. Hello, Yer. Didn't you think 60-degree weather was gonna be warm?
Yes, in Wisconsin. I'm from Wisconsin, so 60 degrees is warm to us.
Okay, we just made it to the Fresno New Year venue area, and we're gonna go do some rehearsals. It's about like what, 6 p.m. here. And yeah, we're just gonna go in. It's only half of us, and then the rest are still coming. Oh my god! Hi! Hi guys! Hi! 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 Engaged! So we are here at Emily's hotel. We're gonna go find her or her room. Hello, Yay!
It's really fussy, guys.
Our hips.
Hi,
Oh my
Angel.
god, I felt it almost coming out.
And I feel like I said before, like the strong parts that
Oh my god,
not
got
strong
that?
was not strong.
What?
Okay, ready? I'm ready.
Okay. She's like, You should hold it up like this and then we stop. Okay?
Rap me a damn song. No, you need to sing a damn song, not fucking rap.
Tell me, boy,
Something I had my doubts.
You crying?
I wish this would be over. I know it's you say I'm crazy, 'cause you don't think I know what you've done.
I can sing one.
But we only baby, I know I'm not the only one.
What's your face like that?
Okay, I'm done now.
Wait, you gotta say that. I know. Say
I know I'm not the only one. And I know I'm not the only one.
Jennifer? Yeah. Okay, wait.
you got it. Woke up in tears, you by my side, first I believe, and I'll be alive.